Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, I'm just gonna break down how you can make a lot of money driving Uber with a Tesla. So if you didn't know, Uber is providing Uber drivers with Teslas, Model 3s, and drivers are making crazy amounts of money. I'm talking over $2,000 per week. Most drivers, when they get a Tesla, they're making double their earnings, double their tips. Everything is way better, and Uber drivers are flocking to try to get these Teslas, but a lot of places are running out of them. So you could still get your Uber Tesla. I think this is one of the best programs you can do for two main reasons. Number one is that you're gonna make more money with the Tesla. But number two, you save a ton of money for two reasons. You save a lot of money in two ways. Well, number one is through the rental program. So when you rent a car, yes, you're paying for the rental, but that rental cost is gonna be less money than you eat in miles that you would on your personal car. So let's say you're driving a personal car, you're putting on hundreds of miles, you're paying for depreciation, you know, your car's going down in value, you're paying for wear and tear. Yes, you will need to pay to maintain your car later, and your car goes down in value, and those are the two main things, your depreciation and wear and tear. That's why it makes way more sense to rent a car and have them pay for that, pay for depreciation, pay for wear and tear. And you know, the other reason is that you don't have to pay for gas. Now, there are some apartment complexes that provide free charging, free complimentary charging for your car. There's some places that will install it for you that have electric vehicle charging stations. Some workplaces, if you know, if you're doing this as a side hustle, or if you have your own house, get it installed. You're gonna have to pay a couple $100, but you're gonna pay way less money, and you're not gonna be waiting at a Tesla supercharging station, because those are not efficient in my opinion. Especially if you're driving Uber, you're gonna be there way too often. It's just way out of the way. Anyways, let's jump in. Let's get started. I wanted to thank our sponsor, HyreCar. HyreCar is a company that is providing gig workers with cash advances. So if you ever are, you know, late on your rent, or you need a little bit of extra money, or your car payment, whatever it might be, HyreCar is helping gig workers exclusively get them cash advances. And we have a special offer right now where for the first, you know, certain amount of people who sign up, you're gonna have no fees on cash advances. So free cash advances for life. Yes, you need to pay that back, but usually you have to pay it back, you know, extra money. You will not have to pay any fees. They're actually gonna be losing money at the beginning because they just want to make people happy. So use my link below to sign up for HyreCar. You never know when you might need it, and lock it in right now. So, you know, in 6 months from now, you still get free cash advances, or in a year from now, whatever. So link below to HyreCar. Thank you for them. And now let's get started with the video. All right, so in today's video, we're actually looking at a video from Driving in Style. Shout out to him, check it out. And yeah, let's look at this video together.
So it is 4:30 in the morning. I'm feeling pretty good. It's a new week, and
so he's waking up at 4:30 a.m. Shout out to him for waking up at 4:30 in the morning. He's obviously a grinder, a hustler, doing very, very well.
Let's make this money.
Yeah, let's get it.
All right, so this is just for Monday. For Monday, I did a total of 290, total of 320. Here we are. All right, this is how much it cost me, but I felt I charged twice today. The first time cost me like...
You gotta get an at-home charger. You can tell he's at a supercharging station. Those things are usually way out of the way. They're 20 minutes away. You gotta sit there for 20, 30 minutes. You know, you got to drive 20 minutes back. It's a huge time waster, in my opinion, to be going to the supercharger twice a day. It's not like filling up a tank of gas where there's one on every street corner. 2 minutes, you're done. This Tesla supercharging station, you got to go, oh, this one's way on this side, sometimes 20-30 minutes away. You got to get an at-home charger. I'm telling you, figure out a way. Tell your landlord, hey, I drive a Tesla. You know, your house, your property will go up in value if you have a, they need to get like a 220 volt, so that way it charges faster than a normal outlet. Those things are only like 400 bucks to install. Convince them like, hey, this is the way of the future, you know, get ready.
Like, I think it was like $5, but I'm gonna see if I'm gonna keep recording it because it's gonna be a lot cheaper. But this time, see, I just charged again and how much it cost me? $3.
$3. That's cheap. $3 to charge a car. That's half the price of a gallon of gas, pretty much.
6 cents to 90% in 20 minutes. All right.
Oh, another perk of driving a Tesla for Uber is that they actually pay you an extra $1 per ride that you do. They have a bonus right now where they pay you an extra $1 per ride. Let's check this out really quick. Uber Tesla rental, the perks. Let's see, rent a car, Uber driver, rental car program. So all you gotta do is go to this thing here, apply now, see rental options. It should be an option to get a Tesla. Here it is, $334 a week. And as you can see here, it should say, yeah, earn an extra $1 on every trip, up to 4,000 bucks annually. Save on gas, blah, blah, blah. Uber Comfort, you also get, yeah. They used to be able to do Uber Select. I don't know why they took that away. Do you guys know why they took Uber Select away for Teslas? You can also save up to 30% on fast charging EVgo sites with no monthly or session fees. So I guess they have a partnership with EVgo. So EVgo is like Tesla Supercharger, except they're at, you know, random places, like, you know, malls, mostly like malls or just random parking lots. But yeah, you gotta check the off-peak hours. You know, don't go to on-peak 4 to 9 p.m. Go to off-peak or early bird. You'll end up spending way less. In Uber Pro, wow, if you're Uber Pro, 23 cents per kilowatt. That's crazy. That's actually really, really good. That's almost half the price is if you just do pay-as-you-go on peak. So, you know, you gotta check the time you do it. You save a ton more money. And like this guy here, you know, he only spent $3 to charge his car. It's crazy. He's smart.
It's because I actually needed the rest.
So he's doing delivery as well.
$599 for a...
500 bucks in one day, my friends. He made almost $600 in one day doing Uber Eats with a Tesla. That's almost 20 bucks a delivery.
Saturday.
This guy is killing it. He's absolutely killing it. And now, I mean, and he's doing it without an at-home charger. The reason I stress having an at-home charger is because it's gonna save you a ton of time, and you can plug in your car when you go to sleep and you wake up with a full charge. That's the way to really benefit. And there are some people who get free charging. Like there's this guy here. I responded to him earlier in my comment section. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. He said his apartment complex provides free charging, and he uses his own personal car.
All right, so I finished at 11 a.m. and I made a total of 200 and what is it?
Wow, he's done
$223
before 11 a.m.
And I started at about 4 o'clock. That's what it was. Okay, and then for the
4 a.m. to 11 a.m. Not a bad shift.
$2,593.
Look at that. $2,593. Saturday he made 500 bucks. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I mean, he worked every single day, but you know, on Thursday. But he's done at 11 a.m. He's done at 11 a.m. And you know when you're working those early hours, I don't know about you, but I used to work at Starbucks at 4 a.m., 4:30 a.m. shift. And the first hour or two usually go by so fast because you're like chilling, you're pretty tired and you're just kind of waking up. That's what it is driving Uber as well. I've done 4 a.m. trips with Uber. And a lot of times they're these like hour-long airport rides and you're so tired that like you're kind of waking up, you're drinking your coffee, your passengers are kind of waking up, you're like, hey, how's it going, man? You're just cruising, chilling, and there's no one on the road. You finish your ride, you'd maybe do a couple airport rides in the morning. By 5, 6 a.m., you already made over $100. You're like, wow, this is incredible. I'm telling you guys, you gotta do the early morning shifts. He did 146 trips, 67 hours, and he made $2,593. So so let's do some quick math here. 2593 minus whatever the Tesla price is. 334 minus 334. He still profiting $2,259 minus whatever his charging fees are, which I'm gonna estimate is around $100 if he's only spending $3-5 a day, minus 100 in charging. He's still profiting $2,159 a week. Times that by 52. This man is earning over $100,000 per year profit with the Uber Tesla program, guys. This is where the money is at, and this is why so many drivers are flocking to do this program right now. There's so many articles that come out. Tesla vehicles rented by 15,000 Uber drivers. And there was this one Uber driver who said her tips even doubled. Her monthly tips went up to $2,600 after going from a Toyota to a Tesla. Yeah, guys, like, people love riding in style, riding in luxury, and they will tip you for it. So anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. Again, go throw a like to driving in style. I'll give him a thumbs up, and I'll even subscribe him. So now he has, 1,201 or 1,021. So anyways, thanks for watching today's video. You guys are awesome. Check out IV Card to get a cash advance, link below. Thanks for watching. You guys are great. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.